Okay, this is the International Language Testing System powered by ITP to assess the level of candidate. Okay, my name is Manpreet Singh. I'm here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 111144. Okay, what is the full name?
My full name is Jasmine Gautami.
Okay, so does your name have any special meaning?
Yes, my name has a very special meaning. It is a name of a flower which was found in Japan. It was white in color and it has a lots of good fragrance.
Okay, so tell me about your studies.
I just completed my senior secondary education from GC Xavier School, Kamano.
Okay, what is your future goal now?
I want to study. I want to go abroad for higher studies.
Okay, how you spend your leisure time?
Well, whenever I was free, I spend my time as usually with my friends, or I as usually go for a movie.
Okay. So, who is more important according to you, friends or family?
Well, most important for me is my family. My family is my first priority because the family is the only one who supports me at every aspect of my life.
Okay. So, how do people make friends in your country? How do people make friends in your country?
In my country, people make friends by communicating with each other or by manage some get-togethers.
Okay. Now let's talk about shopping. Okay. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I'm very fond of shopping. Whenever I was free, I visit nearby mall.
Okay. So how do you decide which clothes are suitable for you?
Well, in the modern era, people usually wear trending clothes, and I also wear fashionable clothes like denim jeans and one piece.
Okay. What do you prefer? Branded clothes or normal clothes more?
Well, I prefer branded clothes because in the contemporary era, people are wearing modern and fashionable clothes, and so according to the world choice, I usually wear branded clothes.
Okay. Do you prefer online shopping as well?
Yes, I prefer online shopping. Online shopping is very beneficial, or it also gives us heavy discounts.
Okay. Who do you think enjoy shopping more, boys or girls?
Well, according to my perspective, women enjoy shopping more because they have very particular choice about clothes and anything else. They choose the thing according to their taste and also bargaining to the person for the thing.
Okay. Do you think that nowadays people spend too much unnecessary money on shopping?
I think people spend lots of money to buy unnecessary stuff which is not required for their use. They only see the quality of the thing and buy them unnecessary which is not required.
Okay. Do you think nowadays shopping become a hobby of a youngsters?
I think nowadays it's a hobby of adults to buy new stuff because there are lots of choices in the world nowadays. They buy the things for their own happiness rather than using them.
Okay, this is the end of your part 1. Now it's time for your part 2. So this is your cue card. You have 1 minute to look at it and you can make notes as well. Okay, start.
Well, a teamwork is very good for doing any project. Today here I would like to talk about an incident in which I had doing a teamwork with 4 of my team members. When I was in 10th grade, I had to make a science project on the theme global warming. I was with one of my 4 friends. We all are together and we have to make a science project within 10 days. The 4 members of my team are very cooperating and hardworking too. We are stand by each other and we make the project within 5 days and they are very cooperating too. They always listen to me as I was the leader of the team. Because of our hard working and cooperation, we take part in the science project competition. First of all, we are very nervous because we didn't know the outcome of that science project. We feel that we are not able to get the first prize, but after the instructor came and we represent our project very well. He is very inspired by our science project. After the instructing or inspiring that project, he will discuss the result with the other 4 members. After the result came and we got first prize in that science project, after he announced the result, our 4 team members are very surprisingly that we didn't expect that. We are very happy that because of our teamwork and cooperation, we got the first prize in that science project competition.
Okay. So, are team activities popular in the community around you? Are team activities popular amongst the community around you?
Yes, teamwork is very important because by teamwork we can come to know about the other members' abilities, or teamwork is very important to take part in activities, or by teamwork we can also enhance our ability of hard work.
Okay, so what kind of qualities can you learn in a team?
In team we can develop many good qualities, like we can come to know about how to hard work in a team, how to cooperate with the other team members. It's very essential to cooperating with all the team members to get the best results.
Okay, do you think that team leaders are important in a team?
I think team leaders are very important because the team leader is the only one who manages all the team works, and he also assists duties to different team members. He is also responsible for the outcomes of the teamwork.
Why do you think sports team performs so well?
I think sports teams perform very well because only of the leadership quality. If a leader is a good, cooperating and hardworking, the team will only get the best result. Moreover, the team members are also be cooperating.
Okay, you can go now.